Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating basics fast so you can rule out simple faults. Check that Wi-Fi is on or the Ethernet cable is firmly seated, and verify airplane mode is off. Once done, run Windows Network Troubleshooter from Settings, Network, and Internet. It automates common fixes like DHCP renewal. If you still see no internet, power cycle the modem and router. Unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Make sure to reboot your PC after the devices come fully online, so Windows negotiates a new connection. Next, focus on drivers and protocol stacks because mismatches often break connectivity. You should open Device Manager, find the network adapter, and choose Update Driver. If a new driver caused the issue, use Rollback. Then open an elevated command prompt and run netch-int IP reset, netch-winsock reset, and ipconfig/flushtons to restore TCP/IP defaults and clear stale DNS cache. Also disable any VPN, proxy, or third-party firewall temporarily to ensure they aren't blocking traffic. Finish by using Network Reset. Settings, Network, and Internet Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset. This reinstalls adapters and clears network configs, making Windows recreate clean settings. If issues persist, inspect router DNS and set a public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 so name resolution isn't the bottleneck. Make sure to test with another device to isolate router versus PC faults, and boot Windows in safe mode with networking. If it works there, a background app or service on your normal profile is likely causing the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.